Hi, I'm Captain Chris, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit more about DIY aboard your own boat. We all know you've got to check the oil, check the transmission fluid, check the shaft seals, check the strainers, but what about your exhaust? Look at this big exhaust rubber hose, and the important part I want you to see, if I can find it, looking inside here, look at this. Can you see my finger? This actually burned a hole in the water injected rubber hose between the quenching elbow, or the riser as you call it, because they did not have sufficient water flow to cool the hose. Another thing I'd like you to check out on your engine and your exhaust is the fiberglass, flame retardant fiberglass exhaust elbow. This one's 45 degrees. But if you've got a hose that's leaking a little bit, remember it might leak water, and it's positively leaking carbon monoxide. Don't crank it down too hard because you'll crack it. Look right here where it's cracked. See where it's cracked? So this crack means this whole piece needs to be removed and replaced. So check your hoses and check them for hot spots, crystallizing, feel them with your hands, or if you've got an infrared thermometer, read it with your infrared thermometer and start trending temperatures so you can be ahead and you can know when you can change the hoses before it becomes too late. Last thing, look at the stripe on your hose. And I know the camera can't get in too close, but there'll be a manufacturing date right here of 2020. This hose was built in 2020, and you can assume, if there's no installation issues, you can assume that a hose has got a 10-year expected life. So these are just some simple, short tips. If you want to learn more about DIY boat maintenance, come join us in Vero Beach, Florida for our classes, Introduction to Boat Systems, and our other class, Cruising 101 Fundamentals. If you've got any questions, pick up the phone. I answer it. Ask Captain Chris.